Ever tried to link an account to PocketGuard and got stuck because you couldn't remember your ID? You're not alone. Finding your PocketGuard ID can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to uncover the secrets of locating your unique PocketGuard identifier. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what your PocketGuard ID actually is. Think of it as your personal key to your PocketGuard account. It's a unique string of characters that sets your account apart from everyone else's. This ID is crucial for things like linking accounts. Whether it's your bank, investment accounts, or even other financial tools, you'll often need your PocketGuard ID to establish a secure connection. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, your PocketGuard ID will help support agents quickly identify your account and assist you effectively. Troubleshooting. In some cases, your ID might be necessary to troubleshoot any technical glitches you might experience within the app. So, how do you find this elusive ID? Here are the most common methods. 1. Check your PocketGuard app. Settings. Open your PocketGuard app. Tap on the Settings gear icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Look for an option like Account Information or Account Settings. Within these settings, you might find your PocketGuard ID listed. Help or Support section. Navigate to the Help or Support section within the app. You might find a section where your ID is displayed or an option to request it. 2. Check your welcome email. Search your inbox. When you first signed up for PocketGuard, you likely received a welcome email. This email often contains important information about your account, including your PocketGuard ID. Look for keywords. Search your inbox for keywords like welcome, account, or ID. 3. Contact PocketGuard support. Open a support ticket. If you're still having trouble finding your ID, the best course of action is to contact PocketGuard's customer support team. You can usually do this through the app itself or by visiting their website. Be prepared to provide basic information. When contacting support, be ready to provide basic information like the email address associated with your account. Pro tip. Save your ID. Once you've located your PocketGuard ID, consider saving it in a secure location, such as a password manager or a note-taking app. This will save you a lot of time and frustration in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.